We back. Another review. Tyler Crater. Golf LaFurs. Golf Wayne Way. Golf LaFurs. We do this. We back. Another unboxing. The packaging was pretty good. The box is pretty beat. The box is pretty beat up. I got this from was it Shoe Palace? It was one of those places, but I don't remember exactly. Yeah. See, as you can see, the box is pretty beat. But the packaging, you know, when you got like a celebrity like Tyler, the packaging, or anybody of higher celebrity figure who does the sneakers, the packaging is gonna always be different than like a normal average sneaker. You know, is that possible? Anyway, sneakers are fire, bro. They're fire. Like let's dive in and see. Golf LaFurs. These are all green ones. Okay. I hope this will focus. I hope it will focus. Let me make sure. See, if it doesn't focus, I'll record another video so that you can see. As you can see, Converse got the tag on and all that. Golf LaFurs. This is a pretty cool sneaker. I'm a huge fan of Tyler, actually. I became hip to Tyler in 2011, I want to say. Actually, I was always an Earl fan. I did not like Tyler in the beginning. I didn't become the hip. I didn't like Tyler till Cherry Bomb. I know a lot of people don't like him around that era, but well, the new Tyler, as they say. But yo, Cherry Bomb was when I actually got into Tyler over Earl. Since I've been feeling the golf one, man, it's crazy. It's pretty dope. It's a good sneaker. As you can see, the feel. This looks like, I don't know. Is this suede? I don't know what this is, but this is crazy. How he manifested this. The 1 stars. He left Vans, as we all know. Just sad to see. But yeah, this is the bottom. Two-tone green. You know, this is like a lime green, Kelly, Irish. This is more of a forest green, and it comes with 3 different laces: orange, white, and another lime green. Yeah, pretty good sneaker. Okay, yeah. Anyways, yeah. Here's the other one. Like I said, the packaging, the box is beat, but the bag itself is pretty dope. I actually appreciate this. I appreciate the bag a lot. And then this is the other one. I'm sorry, Tyler, I had to hold your shoe like that. This is the other one. Golf LaFurs. I'll probably do an on-foot review of those. Anyways, just to bring down when I'm signing off, you know what I'm saying? You know we coming.
I'm playing like Hasbro, I'm really sorry, call me Auto. Crashed a McLaren, bought me a Tesla. I know you sick of me talking about cars, but what the fuck else do you want from me? That is the only thing keeping me company. Purchase things till I'm annoyed. These items just filling the void. Been feeling it for so long, I don't even know if it's shit I enjoy.